What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be reviewing Amazon's Echo Dot. Stay tuned. So this is the third generation Echo Dot. You can get these for $49.99 on Amazon's marketplace, or you can wait for them to go on sale. And I bought one for Black Friday as a gift, and it was $22 when I bought it, so it's more than half off, which is an amazing price to get these Echo Dots for. So these are the two colors that I got. This is the sandstone and this is the charcoal. There's also the heather gray and the plum, and those are the four only colors for the Echo Dots. So let's start unboxing these. And you can tell this is a nice package. Simple, tells you everything on what the Echo Dot can be used for. This is the sandstone. Let's see it. And the charcoal. It comes with, you know, your instructions and things to try, kind of like what you can do with Alexa. It comes with your power adapter, and that's it. It should be same for the other box too. Instructions, stuff you can try, and then the power adapter. So the Echo Dot, most of you watching this probably know what it can do already. Your friends, your family might already have one, so you get the gist of what it can do. It's basically like Siri, but you can connect this to smart home devices such as a smart light bulb, which I do have, and I will also show that. Connect it to smart plugs and smart hub garages, or whatever it's called, which is really cool. I've seen plenty of videos where people are having all this crazy smart home devices that they've set up in their homes, which is really cool. And I might actually make a video on that too, as I get more smart home stuff that I can make things work with Alexa. So there's all this wrapping to this Echo Dot, so let's get that out of the way. Same with this. So far though, I thought this would be smaller, but it's actually pretty big. And it feels nice and durable. Doesn't feel cheap at all. So what I noticed is you can actually connect your aux cord into the Echo Dot, and then the other port here is to charge it. So it's the aux right here, and then charging port. Same with the other one. So that's neat. Alright, let's see if these are charged. So I didn't realize the Echo Dot needs to be plugged in all the time. So it's not like it can charge and you can just use it anywhere like a wireless type of device. It needs to be plugged in all the time for it to work. So let's do that right now. Okay, now it's plugged in and it's glowing. So that's cool. And it's flashing. You see that? On the instruction, it says the first step really is to plug in your Echo Dot and wait for Alexa to say hello. So as Alexa's, I guess, charging up, do you hear that?
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Alexa just said we got set up through the Alexa app. And that is step 2 on the instructions on how to set this Echo Dot up. And I'm reading from this black pamphlet that came with the box. So I'm gonna get my phone and download the app, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. And so the setup's not complete. So Alexa, I've set up Alexa to know where it is. It's connected to the Wi-Fi, so it can get the weather and all the other information that you can get online. On the app itself is really how you can control Alexa to connect to other smart devices. And also you can have Alexa play music too. So enough with the app. Let's actually start testing Alexa out. So on the things, or on the package that came with, there's the things you can try with Alexa. So on the first thing we're gonna try is we're gonna let her play some music. So Alexa, play music.
You bet. To get you the right music, I have a question about the music you enjoy. I'll list 3 artists to see which one you like. You can also say none of them, all of them, or name another band or singer. So, who would you like to hear? Luke Combs, Itzhak Perlman, or Hillsong United?
Hillsong United.
Sure thing. Here's some music by Hillsong United and similar bands.
There you go. It's that simple. I'm already enjoying this already. Let's try something different. Also, the sound is really nice and crisp. It's loud too. And on the buttons up there, you can also adjust the volume. So on the buttons, this is to lower the volume, to make the volume louder. And this is actually turning off the microphone so Alexa can stop listening to you. And this is an action button. Basically, if you press it, you can tell Alexa to stop what she's doing or tell her to do something new without having to say, Alexa, do this or do that. That's the buttons on the Echo Dot. And also, the last thing really, or an optional thing, you can connect Alexa to a speaker or through Bluetooth. That's why it has the aux on the back. Make Alexa have optimal performance. So that's great. So let's do a few more things, and I think that's really all we can do. So let's see. Alexa, let's play a game.
Sure, I love games. One of the most played games this week is Question of the Day. Do you want to try it?
Yeah,
Pick a game category.
Let's play Question of the Day.
Question of the Day is rated 4.7 stars by over 18,000 people. Would you like to try it?
Yes.
Alrighty. Here's Question of the Day. Welcome to Question of the Day, your daily trivia challenge. Each day, I'll ask you a new question. Answer the question correctly to earn points and unlock additional features. And if you'd like for me to repeat a question, just say repeat the question. Here is your first question of the day. It's from our history game pack and is worth 2 points.
I'm not
During
gonna
the
get
late
this.
18th century, which country gave the most support to the American colonists during the Revolution against the British? Choose from the following: A. Scotland, B. Canada, C. Mexico, or D. France.
France.
Nicely done. You have earned your first history
Hey.
badge and 2 points.
Let's get it.
The primary ally.
So Alexa does talk a lot, but that's fine because she is kind of your personal assistant.
Here's something I found on the
Alexa,
web.
stop. So I'm gonna mute Alexa right now because every time I say Alexa, she starts talking. Anyway, so the things you can try, basically just Alexa, is you can enjoy your favorite music. You can Alexa can answer many questions. Alexa can help you stay organized. You can have voice control on your smart home devices. You can ask for news, weather, traffic. You can stay connected, meaning you can ask to actually call using Alexa. You can do miscellaneous stuff. You can play games with her. You can get started with skills, or she can even help you relax. She can do audiobooks, and she can also shop for you, which is pretty cool that Alexa can do that. A final word on the Echo Dot. I think it's a really cool thing to have. It's a fun thing to use. It looks durable. It seems durable. The sound quality is awesome for how small it is. And there's so many possibilities on what you can do with Alexa. If you have the correct devices, you know, the smart devices like TV, garage lights, you can automate your house. And it seems like you can automate it to a point where what you see in movies becomes reality. And I think that's pretty cool to have a device that does that. So I really like this Echo Dot a lot. It's nice and it's fun to use. And that's all I have to say about it. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I do still have some other smart home devices that I want to unbox and review. So just wait until I post those. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.